Grug and the Special Mammoth. In a snowy land, a boy named Grug lived in a cave. Grug liked to explore and learn new things. One day, Grug saw something special outside his cave. It was a big, furry mammoth named Moki. Moki was different because its fur was shiny and bright. Grug and Moki became friends. They played and went on trips together. Moki's fur kept Grug warm and happy. One time, they found lost baby animals. There was a small penguin, a baby polar bear, and a tiny snow hare. They were cold and scared. Grug knew what to do. With Moki's warm fur, they made a cozy place for the baby animals. They gave them food and made them feel safe. The baby animals grew bigger and stronger. They became friends with Grug and Moki. But one day, a strong storm came. The baby animals were in danger again. Grug, Moki, and their animal friends stayed close to each other to stay safe. During the storm, Moki's fur glowed brighter. It protected them from the cold wind and snow. When the storm ended, Grug realized that Moki's glow came from their friendship and care. Moki was special because they all cared for one another. Grug and Moki kept exploring the snowy land with their animal friends. Their friendship made their adventures better. Grug and Moki's friendship showed that when friends take care of each other, they can make even the coldest days warm and bright. The end.